How to fix your payment method was declined error on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you a couple of ways on how you can fix if your payment method was declined on your iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now first things first, if your app store is actually opening up, or maybe you're trying to purchase an application, or maybe you're trying to subscribe to Apple Pay or anything as such relatively, and you're not being able to put in your payment method, this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. Now of course what you want to do is, first of all, you just want to make sure to close all of the apps including the app store, and then you want to open up settings. And of course once you open up settings, you want to go to tap on your profile ID name at the very top, and then you want to go to payment and shipping. Once you go to payment and shipping, if you currently have an existing payment method, I want you to go ahead and remove all those existing payment methods right now. After you remove those existing payment methods, now you can proceed to add another payment method such as your PayPal ID, of course, or maybe your international credit or debit cards. You want to make sure to do that steps respectively. If that doesn't help, then you want to simply come back, and then you want to go to the subscriptions tab over here. So I'm also going to come back, and once I come back, I'll just go to the subscriptions tab. And as I come to the subscriptions tab, if you have any type of subscriptions left over here, you want to make sure to just turn it off for once, or maybe you can try to turn off auto renewal. At least just try to turn on or off auto renewal and see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't help, the other thing this could also be happening is due to the network error that you might be having. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular connection. If you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi, because in most of the cases that could also be causing you the issue in the first place. If that doesn't help again, then what I can only recommend you is just sign out of your current Apple ID, log into another Apple ID, and then try to proceed to add that payment method, and then just check if that payment method is valid, which means that not only on Apple, if you have other devices, try to use that payment method, such as whether it is your debit card or credit card. If other applications and services accept it, and if it's only your iPhone that is not accepting the payment, then the problem could also most likely be with the software and so on. So for that, you want to simply go to the general section over here. Once you go to general, go to software update, and you want to make sure to update your software or your operating system or your iOS version to the latest version. Hopefully this video helped you solve your problem, and if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.